Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a butterfly pendant. The supplies you're going to need are UV resin, you need a butterfly mold, you'll need some, colors for your butterfly. I got black and purple, and I've got some purple glitter that I may add. So to begin, I'm just going to mix up. You'll need mixing utensils and mixing bowls. And just got another one here. And I'm going to first mix up the black and do the body of the butterfly. And I'm going to use the black for that. And just put a couple drops. Mix it up. Alright, so I'm going to have to be careful with this because I just want it in the body part. And let's see. I don't know if I'll be able to get it in there. I just got to work it in. Some in the body. I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. Alright, now that it's cured, I'm going to add a little bit more of the black, another layer, and then spread it into the little antenna. And then add more to the body. Now I got some on the side. That's okay because that'll just clip right off. Alright, and then I'm going to cure this for 90 seconds. Alright, that's cured, so now we're going to mix up the purple. And this is a larger mold, so you'll need obviously more UV resin for it. Three drops should be good. Okay, and then we'll pour it in. Just want to make sure it goes around where you place your necklace. Alright, and then remove any bubbles. Alright, so I said something about glitter. So I have some glitter. I also have some of these glitter flakes, and I have some of these little stars that I think I'm going to be placing into the mold just to give it kind of a really pretty, like, mystical effect. Okay. And I'm going to clean that off with a baby wipe. All my tweezers I'm going to clean off. Okay. Now you can mix them in if you'd like. Just kind of get them in there a little bit. And then we'll add some of the flakes, and those we can just kind of get them inside there, right into the resin. And I'll just put some on the side so I don't contaminate all the flakes. Okay, so just put a few in there. And I'll wipe this off. And let's see, you could put a few stars in there. I don't want to put too many, just a few. If I can get them to come off. All right. They're not really cooperating. A few stars here and there. All right, and then we're going to cure this for 180 seconds, turn it over, and cure the back side for 180 seconds. Okay, now that it's cured, I can remove it. Be careful because of the antenna. You don't want to break them off. So take them out carefully. And you can see that most of the stuff is on this side, but I'd like something here also. So I have some purple resin left over, and I'm just going to just put a little bit there. And then just spread it around where the wing area is. Like so. I'm trying just to get it to the edges and not that so it overflows on the sides. Okay, it's perfect. Keep seeing things I gotta fix. Okay, so we'll take a little bit of glitter and we'll just do the same as we did on the other side. Just sprinkle it here and there to make little spots. There, like so. I just wanted to add a little something in case, you know, it turns over and the person who's wearing it might just want a little extra something on the, on the other side. So I'm just trying to get a few of these pieces here and there. Sorry about my bird in the background. She usually does that. Especially when I'm busy doing something. Okay, I just wanted to get a couple more pieces out of this so I can place them. Oops, missed that totally. All right. And then that just gives it like a little bit of, shimmer. And then I'm going to wipe these off. And then get a few of these stars and just kind of place them. It's still a little wet, so they're sticking to my tweezers. And I'm just gonna carefully place them around different areas. Can't see if I'm placing them. Oh, I'm putting them right back on my finger. Does not want to come off. So I'm just trying to make this equally as pretty as the other side. Okay, there we go. All right, so I'm going to cure this for 90 seconds and then I'll come back and we'll do a top coat on this. All right, that's all finished. Now to do the top coat, I'm using this no wipe top coat, and that's for, it's UV and LED gel nail polish. And it's got a very pretty shine to it, so I'm going to use that for the top coat. You can use resin too. You can pour resin over the top if you'd like. And I'm just going to place it on this glass towel with sticky tack, like so. And then I'm just going to just do a layer of this over the top. And I'm going to do both sides. And then for this, I usually cure the nail gel for, I'd say 90 seconds 3 times. I'm going to do the edges too. I want to get it all over, make it really pretty. So yeah, you're going to do it about 3 times at 90 seconds. And then that should be fully cured, and when it's fully cured, it's well, obviously it's very shiny, but it's also very smooth and it feels really nice. It's really pretty. It's just like, when you get your nails done. Now this also gets bubbles sometimes, so you'll have to make sure that you use your lighter on this. You don't want bubbles all over the place. And then be careful when you're doing the edges so you don't swipe up, because then they'll pull the nail polish off the brush and it will actually make like a little glob underneath. So just make sure you just go along on the edges and don't like glob it up in any way, because that does happen. I mean, if it does and you get like a little glob underneath on the other side, you can just sand that off, and then once you sand it, you can reapply you know, the top layer. Alright, so that looks good. And I'm just going to get my lighter and go over it, make sure there's no bubbles. And then I'm going to cure this, like I said, for 3 times at 90 seconds. Alright, now that it's done, you'll need a leather cord or some kind of chain, an 8mm jump ring, and those will be in the description box below. This is a bit thicker, as you can see, so I'm just going to place that through, place the leather cord on, and if you have a chain, you put the chain on at the same time, and then we're just going to close it up and make sure those ends meet. So there you have it, real pretty butterfly necklace, both sides. And if you liked my video, please press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for further notifications of my upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find links to my jewelry, my artwork, and my photography. Thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.